House 28.0855 is a stunning architectural masterpiece designed by Atelier, located in the scenic mountains of Sierra Tapalpa, Jalisco, Mexico. This house beautifully blends the charm of traditional Mexican architecture with the minimalism of Japanese design. Spanning 630 square meters, it is crafted as a multifunctional space that fosters recreation, tranquility, and a deep connection with nature. Inspired by the dry stone walls typical of Mexican villages, the stone structures in this house are naturally assembled, creating a harmonious balance between strength and elegance while framing the exterior with a monolithic character. House 28.0855 is situated within a breathtaking natural landscape, and from its inception, the design emphasized honesty in form and materials. Drawing inspiration from the traditional dry stone walls of Mexican villages, Atelier reinterpreted this concept with sturdy yet refined stone walls. Each stone was carefully selected and arranged to create a perfect harmony between natural forms and human craftsmanship. The project's name, 28.0855, references the atomic weight of silicon, the primary element in natural stones, paying homage to the material that forms the soul of this project. The house is designed to integrate seamlessly with its surroundings, both inside and out. The exterior harmonizes with the natural landscape, while the interior spaces create a contemplative experience. The layout includes interior gardens and a central courtyard, inviting peaceful walks that enhance the connection with nature. Inspired by Japanese onsen, the spa area offers a tranquil retreat surrounded by water, stone, and greenery, creating the perfect ambience for relaxation. Privacy is also a key element, achieved through inward-facing stone facades that give the house its strong monolithic character. Sustainability is a top priority in the design of House 28.0855. Passive strategies are employed to reduce environmental impact, such as orienting the spaces to the south to minimize cooling needs in summer and heating requirements in winter. The stone walls serve as natural temperature regulators, while double-glazed windows help maintain indoor climate efficiency. Additionally, the use of locally sourced stone significantly reduces the carbon footprint of the construction process. House 28.0855 perfectly embodies the fusion of traditional Japanese architecture and Mexican vernacular style. Its minimalist approach eliminates unnecessary details, focusing instead on the essence of each space. The result is an honest, functional, and simple design that delivers profound spatial experiences while remaining visually captivating. This concludes our exploration of House 28.0855, a project that not only impresses with its visual appeal, but also inspires through its approach to sustainability and harmony with nature. If you're looking for a home that blends tradition, functionality, and simplicity, House 28.0855 is a perfect reference. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Block 7 for more inspiring videos. See you in the next one.